Hello everybody, this is Tabia, Japan. Today we are here at Tokyo DisneySea. Tokyo DisneySea is a spectacular theme park located next to Tokyo Disneyland. DisneySea offers a more adventurous and mature ambience, featuring 8 distinct theme areas or ports. These include the Mediterranean Harbor, American Waterfront, Mysterious Island, Leimord Lagoon, Arabian Coast, Lost River Delta, Port Discovery, and Fantasy Spring. Each port has unique attraction, restaurants, and shops. This is Mediterranean Harbor area, where believed Sea of Dreams show is held. It is a nighttime spectacular performed on the water. The show can be viewed from around the entire perimeter of the Mediterranean Harbor. We did a separate video of Believe Sea of Dreams nighttime show parade. Please watch it. Lots of visitors visiting Tokyo DisneySea. Some are wearing cosplay. It's Goofy. Goofy greets the visitors. In this area, the decoration is inspired by the movie Coco. Remember Me? This is Fantasy Spring area, where Anna and Elsa Frozen Journey, Peter Pan's Neverland Adventure, Fairy Tinkle Bell Busybodies, and Rapunzel Lantern Festival attraction are located. First, we queue on Rapunzel's Lantern Festival attraction. Rapunzel Lantern Festival is a boat ride, immersing guests in the world of Disney's Tangled. The attraction follows Rapunzel and Flynn Rider's journey to the annual Lantern Festival, featuring scenes from the film, culminating in a display of floating lanterns. We made a separate video of Rapunzel Lantern Festival ride. Please watch it. Next, we queue on Anna and Elsa Frozen Journey. It's a very long queue. For those who want to skip the line, Disney Premier Access can be purchased for each attraction. Inside Anna and Elsa Frozen Journey attraction. Anna and Elsa's Frozen Journey is a boat ride. Guests embarks on a journey through scenes from Disney's Frozen, featuring advanced animatronics and projection, including songs like Do You Want to Build a Snowman and Let It Go. The attraction is family-friendly and is accessible on rainy days. Look, it's all off. We did a separate video of Anna and Elsa Frozen Journey ride. Please watch it. Next, we key on Peter Pan Neverland Adventure. This ride takes Cass on an adventurous journey through Neverland, featuring beloved characters like Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, Wendy, and Captain Hook, using advanced ride technology and stunning visuals. Guests are required to wear 3D glasses to fully experience the attractions. After Peter Pan, we take a break at Royal Banquet of Arendelle. Seafood set with drinks. After that, we went to Fairy Tinkerbell Busybugg's attraction. This attraction features vibrant decoration and sparkling lights. We did a separate video of Fairy Tinkerbell ride. Please watch it. Tokyo DisneySea nighttime atmosphere is nice. The parks lights up. This is Arabian Coast area, where Caravan Carousel, Jasmine Flying Carpets, Sinbad's Storybook Voyage, and the Magic Lamp Chapter attraction are located. That's all for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.